Hi everyone, we are group number 8 and we are going to talk about strategic international trade plan for Senegal Private Limited Company. Next slide. These are the content of our presentation. Next slide. First one is brief introduction. Senegal Private Limited Company was established 2008 by architect Sandun Herat and engineer Mangal de Silva. The head office is in Nugegoda. Uh, they mainly provide architectural service and multidisciplinary service. Senegal Company also has new areas like uh, Senegal Green and foreign, foreign, forensic engineering. Some of their projects, Advanced Technological Institute at Samanture, Auditorium for Kuliapiti Central College at Kuliapiti, uh, and like this. Uh, Next slide. Second topic is applying international trade theories. First one is comparative advantage theory. Comparative advantage theory explain how countries benefit by uh, offering by focusing on what they do best at lower cost. So Sri Lankan has highly skilled but more probable workforce in engineering and architecture. Senegal can export design and service competitively by offering sustainable, high quality solution at lower price. This aligns perfectly with the theory. We focus on strength while client about save cost and again value. Uh, Second one is next slide. Second one is Hexery point theory. OH theory explains that countries should export products that use their abundant resource and import products that rely on scarce resources. At Senegal, we have an abundant pool of skills, professional, and strong project management capabilities. So, this is our export strength. However, we lack advanced machinery and high end production tools, which we can import to support operations. Uh, this theory guides guides us to focus on leverage local strength while sourcing tools globally to stay efficient and competitive. Next slide. Third one is new threat theories focus on benefits of economics of scales in international trade. As Synecdo expand globally and handle more projects, we can spread fixed costs like software and tools across many clients. For example, use of CAD and BMI technology help us lower the per project per project cost. This makes Synecro more efficient and competitive. We grow in the international market. Hand over to Samadhi.
Okay, let's move on to our third topic, target market selection. So, you confused why we chose India as our target market. In here, we are talking about our strategic plan. So, our plan is freshly entered to the India as international trade because India is the nearest and the easiest country that we can enter to the international trade. So when enter to Indian market, what we should consider? First one is demand. India is developing fast with smart cities and sustainable buildings. So there is very big need in construction. And the second one is trade environment. Trade agreement like ISFTA make easier for Sri Lankan companies to enter the Indian market. And the third one is competition. When consider about competition, India has very high competitions in construction field. So, Sinago should provide unique and specific services to their customers. And the last one is opportunity. We can partners with Indian architect and get knowledge and client network by that. That is very good opportunity to Sinago. So when analyze about Indian market, we can see there is very high growing in architecture and construction field in India. And also there is high demand for sustainable and mid-scale project in Indian market. When consider about new market trends, there is very good demand for new technologies like BIM, smart buildings, and green building designs. That is the most popular part when consider about construction and new trend. And final one is challenges. When analyze about challenges, there is very high challenges in construction field. Okay.
Possible entry modes suitable for Sinago. So we begin with direct exporting through online consultancy services from Sri Lanka via online platforms. This is a low cost and low risk way to enter new markets while building an international presence. So next, joint ventures or partnerships with firms in India, Bangladesh and Nepal allow us to leverage local expertise knowledge on architecture and also credibility. So I have mentioned some sources from Newspeak report and also Modern Intelligence, where it says that there's a rising demand for interior designers in Nepal, and also there's a rising market size for architects in Bangladesh. So once our brand is more established, we can move into licensing or franchising. So sharing our design methods or green solutions to generate additional revenue with less direct involvement. So finally, setting up a foreign branch office would be a long-term goal, suitable once we've proven success and built a solid client base abroad. So, in summary, our recommended approach is to start with direct exporting and then gradually expand through joint ventures. So, because this pathway minimizes risk and also supports sustainable growth and also helps Sinago in positioning strongly within South Asia's architectural construction market.
Uh, okay, now I talking about sixth topic, trade agreement and regulation. Our company Sinego can benefit from several trade agreements that support easier between Sri Lankan and other countries. Uh, our first agreement is India-Sri Lanka Free Trade Agreement. Mm, uh, this agreement helped by reducing reactions on cross-border services, allowing partnership with India firms, and giving us legal confidence to work in India. Second, uh, move to next slide. Secondly, SAARC trade framework promotes regional trade among South Africa countries, South Asia countries. It encourages service trade and help professionals like architecture and engineer move easier across the region. Uh, Move to next slide. And the third one is trade agreement and manage. Third one is trade and export support institution like the EDB, Department of Commerce, and SLECIC. They offered export training, trade policy support, and insurance protect for exporters. Move to next slide.
So this slide highlights the key trade-related risks that Sinogo may face in international operations and how we can proactively manage them. Firstly, exchange rate fluctuations can reduce profitability. To encounter this problem, we can set contracts in stable currencies like USD or Indian rupees. So next, legal and licensing barriers often cause project delays. So partnering with local certified architects ensures compliance and smoother approvals. So cultural differences might lead to design rejections, which can be avoided by hiring local consultants who understand local preferences. Lastly, payment risks could result in financial losses. So using trade financial tools such as letters of credit or bank guarantees helps secure transactions and to protect Synergo's revenue. So overall, this slide emphasizes how risk awareness and smart mitigation strategies can protect both Synergo's profits and reputation in global trade.
Our eighth topic is integration of sustainable support services. Here we focus on how different support services help international project. Firstly, we focus. Firstly, international logistics support ensure the efficient transport of material and equipment needed for overseas work. Next, trade financial and payment solution help reduce financial risks and improve cash flow. Move to next slide. And the other one is digital trade platform and e-commerce. Integration support, marketing and communications. Sinogo can be used LinkedIn and Google Ads reach international client effectively. Finally, government and institutions support services also play a key role. The Export Department Board offering training, trade fairs, and market information. The Department of Commerce handle export documentation and compliance. And Sri Lanka Customs help with faster clearance and more transparency in trade. More to you, Samadhi.
Okay, let's move on to a very important topic in this presentation, strategic recommendations to Sinago Private Limited. We have 4 main strategic recommendations to Sinago Private Limited. First one is develop an international marketing strategy. Second one is obtain international certifications. Third one is leverage AI and sustainable design and technology. And the final one is participation for international architecture exhibitions. So first one, develop an international marketing strategy. To enter to the international market, there should be very good online platforms and websites. So they already have website, but it is not manually, it is not day-to-day updated. So to enter to the international market, firstly, they should prepare very good website for them, and they should update it day by day. And also they can showcase, and they can show about their past projects which are sustainable and innovative ones. And also they can use international platforms to market their past projects which are very successful and innovative ones. Sinago has already successful local projects. So by maintaining very good platforms, very good websites will be very good advantages to go to the international market. Second one is obtain international certifications. To build trust with international clients, it will be definitely they should earn these valuable certifications like LEED, ISO. These are very, very valuable, and it will be make clients trust. So they should apply these certifications, and they should achieve those certifications to their organization. Third one is leverage AI. AI is doing a crucial role in every industry. So construction is very good industry to use AI. So when they are used AI tools, that will be reduce time and minimize cost. So it will be very good advantages to enter the international trade. And also they should use new modern technology to build in designs and other things, and like BIM that will be give very good services to their client. And the final one is participations with international exhibitions. It will be help to make and attract to new clients to them by showing their success projects to the clients. And also it will be helps to link with international architect. By that they can get knowledge, experience, and they can get new opportunities to expand their market. Okay, that's the main 4 strategic recommendations to Sinago Private Limited to enter to the international trade. So this is the implementation roadmap, how we should do this. Firstly, within short term, these are the key actions that they should do. First one is designing a website. As I already mentioned, they should design a very good website. And the second one is staff training. Already Sinago staff is negotiate with local customers. So Sinago should be training them to negotiate with international customers. That also another action. And the third one is apply for LEED and ISO certificates. To get that is very important. And the final one is register for regional expos. So in medium term, that means within 1 to 3 years, maximum 3 years, they should do these things to achieve that strategic plan. First one is participation for Dubai exhibitions and Indian exhibitions. Why I especially mentioned Dubai and India? Because our target market is India. So within medium term, they are succeed. They are within medium term in Sri Lanka, they should do very good projects and participate for the Indian exhibitions. That will be easy to enter the Indian market. And second one is form joint ventures with India, Maldives. Mainly our target is India, so they can be form a joint ventures with Indian construction companies. So the final one is implement AI and BIM international projects. Okay, Then long-term implementation key actions. So in here, they should do, first one is establish branch office. That is very big thing. So they can't come, firstly, they can't come to this point. They should come step by step to this long-term actions. Long-term actions mean that it will be get 3 to 5 years max